What up YouTube, welcome back to a new video. I'm about to do a POV drive today with the Beamer. This is the first POV drive with this car. Give you a little run around real quick. Make sure it's clear for y'all. Y'all won't stop following me. But I don't really have nothing done to this car right now. I'll show you guys. I got a few. Finally, I did it myself. I had a little bit of help from people I appreciate. Alright, I got an intake, the charge pipe. I do have the stuff for the boost pipe, but I low-key do not want to take all that apart right now. The next thing I want to do is get a tune and a downpipe. Quick kinda cold start for y'all real quick. And performance steering wheel, got it like that from the guy. Added a new touchscreen. Sorry about the fingerprints. I need to clean that, I'm not gonna lie. The sun just did it dirty. Get you a little downtown kinda POV. Haven't did one of these for a minute. This on it. This is on it. I wish it was just a little louder. I don't even know if you guys can hear real good. have that problem with your BMW where, like, I took it to the track for the first time. My sports mode, I got a 2-second better score in a quarter mile than I did with Sport Plus. I don't know what I did wrong. This is my first Beamer, so like on Sport Plus, do you have to shift with the paddles or this? I'm just extremely confused on it, to be honest. I don't know what's going on, what the heck, but I'll figure it out. If you guys know though, leave it in the comments. Come on, these guys are slow as fuck. Get a light, like always. It's funny when people see a camera on your head, they kind of just look at you funny. Like it's not 2025 and it's not common. I love the sound when just sitting there, just revving up spooling. It sounds so good. Can't do too much in this neighborhood. Something for y'all. Something quick. I ain't gonna lie, if you didn't use a GoPro for a while, it would kind of make your head feel weird. And close it all up. Let's gonna be hot though. I don't really wanna do too much with the air on. See, my air ain't been working right though. That spool will never get old. I'm telling you, it'll never get old. It's amazing. Ooh.
She been tryna fuck with her. She stuck up on the game like a sticker. She wants to miss the fame. We just tryna get richer. She said like, what's up? Let me kick it with you.